Hey, what is up everybody? Josh Quinones here, and today's video is all about the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. And I gotta start off by saying I absolutely love this phone. I've had the Note 9 for around 3 months now, maybe a little bit more, so this will be like my 3 months later review. But I'm not going to go over all the detailed specs because I've already done that in my initial review video. So since the first day I got my device, I have been truly amazed by the performance of this beast. I literally have had a lag-free experience, and I am able to do multiple things without the phone slowing down on me. Whether it's watching videos, playing games, using GPS, or just browsing through certain apps to get other things done. Now, I honestly didn't think I'd be using the S Pen as much as I actually do, because I have never owned a Note device before, but I find myself using the S Pen for lots of things. I use it to edit thumbnails, I use it for Smart Select to copy and paste certain things, for the screen write, for its cool translate feature, and one of my favorite features, taking pictures. You can do so much, and I have gotten so used to having an S Pen, it's really hard to see myself without one. Now I want to talk about the camera real quick because I have taken some amazing shots with it. Now, while I might not get the perfect shot every single time, for the most part it does a great job. And if you do happen to take a picture that looks blurry or somebody blinks, it will tell you, which is actually pretty cool. It'll let you know that the picture came out blurry or somebody actually blinked. So I think that's a pretty cool feature within the camera. Now the video quality is actually really good as well, and stabilization works great. And you will not hear me complaining about the videos or pictures being taken with this phone. Now, for those of you that have seen my initial review for this phone, you'll know that I did have one complaint, and that was the Bixby button, which I'm sure everybody complained about at first when they got this device, or any Samsung device that came with the Bixby button, and all the accidental presses along with it. Well, that is no longer a problem. Samsung has fixed that by giving the option to double click in order to wake Bixby, so no more accidental clicks. Now, one huge important thing that the Note 9 has is the battery. This is one important thing to everybody. Now, I've already done a separate review for the battery on this device, and I still stand by what I say. The battery on this phone is just right and gets me through a full day of use. Still to this day, I get surprised of how long it actually lasts sometimes, and I am very heavy with my use. So I think anybody who gets this phone will not be disappointed. So aside from the amazing performance of this device and all the awesome features that it has, I need to talk about looks, because this is one sexy, beastly looking phone. And I've said it before and I'll say it again. You walk into a place, any place at all, and pull out this phone, you are an automatic boss. From the beautiful curved infinity display to the sexy glass back, this is one of the best looking devices out there. And in my opinion, this is still one of the best phones, if not the best phone you can get right now, because of everything that it has to offer. And 3 months later, I am really happy I made the choice to use this phone as my everyday device, because it does everything I needed to and more. So yes, in my opinion, this is the best phone you can get right now. But you guys, let me know your thoughts down in the comment sections below. If you are a Note 9 owner, how has your device been treating you so far? And if you're one that has been on the edge of maybe getting a Note 9, hopefully this video was able to help you out with your decision, especially right now that the price has gone down a bit. I think it'll really be worth it to get this device if you are looking for a high-end flagship device. But thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a thumbs up on this video if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos to come. You guys, this is Josh Quinones, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out.